Hi, Mamaten. This is Raven. Raven is a decentralized and a censor-resistant social media application. We are upgrading the internet. We are not a Twitter alternative. We are revolution. Other centralized platforms, they tend to put your sort of algorithms, your data are open to them. Sometimes they go through data breaches, security breaches. Hence the reason why the need for Raven for decentralization. Raven have its architecture built with chopping framework, which decentralize all data, posts, information, tweets, or features that are embedded in the application. Users deserve better ways to connect with their loved ones, with friends, communities. Other features in the application, just as earlier mentioned, the tweets management, also user management as well. User authentication majorly handled with chopping framework, and also routing all information to the Celestia blockchain through chopping framework as well. As you can see on the screen, the architecture and the current build of the Raven application. Other features of the application includes the integration of the NFT and tokens. The NFTs majorly minted at the particular point that a user gets verified and becomes a premium user, basically becoming an OG on the Raven application. Now, this is only possible with the token that has been embedded into the application, which is the Raven Trust Token, RTT. Now, with this token, it gives you the feasibility and the possibility of making some actions in the application, such as in-app purchases, gifting to friends, and also some other features on the application. Now, the RTT also is used for joining into a particular feature into the application, which we call the treasure hunt. And now this treasure hunt is hosted by the OGs, just like I earlier mentioned. The OGs is sort of a way of giving back to their communities, giving back to their followers. The user organizes a treasure hunt for the other communities, for the followers, for them to join into the hunt, into the quest. And the winner carries the entire loot. Basically, it's just as simple as that. And this is done to get engagement into the application and then to make people much more exposed to the feasibility of Web3 development into a social media application like Twitter. Now, there are also rooms for upgrades on the application, thinking of the fact of adding Easter eggs. So, adding some little features, hidden features into some part of the applications, leave that open to the users to search for them and then reward them, of course, in RTT as well. So I think that's just the major features of the Raven application. Of course, there are still other rooms for upgrades. So thank you for listening and thank you for joining Raven.